Quick Action settings in Windows 11. There are two ways to reach that functionality. The first way is you can do a left click next to the microphone, internet access, and sound icons. Just do a left click and it will open up the Quick Action Center, which allows you to get to your Wi-Fi or internet access, Bluetooth, change to airplane mode, security, focus assist, accessibility. Also shows you your settings for your sound and for your brightness. And of course, if you click on the all settings, it opens up another window with more information and capabilities. Notice that if you do a left click, it opens up the Quick Action Center. But if you pick any of these icons here and do a right click, now you can go to your microphone. The next one over is for your internet access. Again, do a right click and you do network and internet settings. And the last one, again, do a right click and you can get your sound settings or open the volume mixer. So here you want to do a right click to access the individual item, or do a left click in order to reach the Quick Action Center. The other way to reach it is very simple. Use your Windows key and the A for action. Windows and A, and there is your Quick Action Center. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.